If you're thinking of buying a TCL 32-inch QLED TV, or you just want to see what you're getting before spending your money, then this video is for you. Today we are doing a full unboxing, setup and picture test of the TCL 32-inch QLED Google TV, so you can decide if this is the right smart TV for your home, office or gaming setup. Let's get straight into it. We carefully open the packaging, and the first thing you will notice is how neatly everything is arranged. The TV is securely packed with protective foams to prevent damage during shipping. Now let's bring the TV itself out. For a 32-inch QLED TV, this feels surprisingly lightweight and portable, making it very easy to carry, move around and install, even if you're doing it alone. The slim profile instantly gives it a modern and premium look, which is perfect for bedroom, office, shops and small living space. Taking a closer look, you will notice the premium edges and slim bezels, which make the screen feel larger than 32 inches. The overall build feels solid and well crafted, just what you expect from TCL. Next, let's fix the legs. Installation is very simple. Just attach the legs using the provided screws and you're good to go. If you prefer wall mounting, you can easily hang it using a compatible wall bracket. So whether you want it on the table or mounted on the wall, you have got full flexibility. At the back, we get the usual essential ports, including HDMI port for decoder, gaming console or laptop, USB port for flash drives and media playback, AV input, headphone jack, antenna and network ports. Everything you need for daily connectivity is well covered. Inside the box, you also get the user manual, power cable, batteries, aux cable and the TCL remote control. Everything required to get started is included. Now let's power it on. We are greeted with the TCL logo followed by the Google TV logo, which means the TV runs on Google TV OS, giving you access to thousands of apps from the Play Store. Next, we go through the usual setup, language and region. Then we set our TV mode. Wi-Fi connection, we skip for now. Agree to the terms and conditions. And just like that, we land on the Google TV home screen. You can sign into your Google account to access more apps, personalized recommendations and smart features. This TCL 32-inch QLED TV comes with built-in Bluetooth connectivity for wireless headphones, speakers and controllers. 4.3GB internal shared storage for apps and system functions. Google Assistant voice control. Chromecast built-in for easy screencasting. This makes it a powerful smart TV for streaming, gaming and daily entertainment. Now let's talk about picture quality, because this is where QLED really shines. Thanks to quantum dot technology, this TV delivers brighter images, more vibrant colors, deeper contrast, improved clarity compared to regular LED TVs. You will notice rich and punchy colors, sharp details, excellent brightness level, more realistic skin tones. Whether you're watching movies, YouTube videos, sports or cartoons, this picture looks clean, colorful and impressive. The QLED panel also improves color accuracy and longevity, meaning your display stays vibrant for years without fading. For gaming, the response time feels smooth, making it great for casual console and mobile gaming. Overall, the TCL 32-inch QLED Google TV delivers a premium design, smart features and excellent picture quality in a compact size. If you are looking for a high-quality small smart TV with QLED technology, this is definitely a solid choice. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more TV tips, unboxing and reviews, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.